Hi guys, Matt here from paultan.org. So this car, you've seen it online, you've seen it in pictures, but here it is making its public debut for the first time at the 2019 Malaysia Auto Show. Now, all you need to know about the Toyota Yaris is that it's basically a Vios hatchback, and previously it was available in very small numbers in CBU form. Well, not this model, but the older one from many years back, and that one, CBU Thailand, was close to about 100,000 ringgit. This baby, from 72,000 ringgit to 85,000 ringgit. Now this is the G spec, the top of the line one, and it's probably going to cost you around 85,000 ringgit. So only 3 variants are available, same as the Vios. So it's J, the E, as well as the G. This guy, this color right here, whether you like it or not, it's called the Citrus Mica Metallic, and there's a total of only 5 colors available. Now, one of the reasons why this guy is much cheaper now compared to before is that it is locally assembled at UMW's Toyota's new plant in Bukit Raja, Klang. So there you have it. It's also the same plant where the Vios is made. Since it's basically a Vios, so underneath the bonnet is a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine. It makes about 107 PS and 140 Newton meters of torque. Again, in terms of the powertrain and the transmission, it's mechanically the same as the Vios, so you get the same CVT with 7 virtual ratios. Now I want to bring you through the car very quickly, very generally also. It's basically a Vios. So the whole front looks exactly the same as the Vios. So you've got this projector headlight, you've got the same grille design, same bumper design, except for the lower intake here. It's got a bit of a sportier looking trim and painted in gloss black, whereas the Vios gets a more sedated horizontal bar looking thing. Also fitted here is the aero kit. So this guy gets the full 5-piece aero kit, which comprises of the front lip, rear lip, side skirts, as well as a roof spoiler. So this one carries a price tag of about close to 3,000 ringgit, but if you lose the spoiler, that's going to take about 450 ringgit off that aero kit price tag. Now let's take a look at the back, because that's where the biggest changes lie. Now moving over to the back, well, you can clearly tell it's no Vios, but you can definitely tell that it's similar. The taillight has got this LED bar on the inside. The outer edge here has got some unique aerodynamic fin that's also present on the Vios, and there's no power tailgate or anything like that, but you've got pneumatic valves, so it helps. It kicks up on its own, and that's pretty useful. It reveals quite a decent amount of boot space as well. And you can close it like that. You've got a reverse camera here, a gloss black piece here, also present, shark fin antenna. You've got the same 16-inch dual tone alloys that's also shared with the Vios. And another feature I want to bring your eye to is this piece right here. It's completely painted in very high polished gloss black color, and it gives the impression that the roof is floating. So a very sporty look for the Yaris, I have to say. So let us know what you think of this design in the comment section below. For now, let's check out the cabin. Okay, so for the cabin, if you are familiar with the Toyota Vios, you're definitely going to realize that it's pretty much the same thing in here. So same steering wheel, same instrument cluster, same head unit, same everything basically. The only difference is that the top G spec does not come with leather seats. Instead, it comes with this dual colored fabric seats with blue stitching. Me personally, I think cloth seats are okay. It doesn't get hot, especially when you park under the sun, but to each their own. I'm okay with paying 85 grand for a top spec car with no leather seats, but if you think otherwise, also let us know in the comment section below. In terms of safety, there's like 7 airbags, you've got hill start assist, and the whole thing. Everything in terms of cabin finishing as well as safety feature is exactly the same as you would find on the Vios. So yeah, that's it. As for the back seats, well, things are pretty much the same as the Vios. For your information, this is not my driving position. This is slightly pushed towards to the back, but as far as rear legroom goes, it's the same as the Vios, so no problems about that. The seats, they're well sculpted. It's quite comfortable back here, I have to say, and it also comes with 2 USB charging ports down here, and I believe it's a fast charging USB port. So same as that you find in the Vios. So back here, identical stuff. Yeah. Alright, so there you have it guys, a very quick first look at the new Toyota Yaris. So the price is 72,000 ringgit to 85,000 ringgit. That makes it about 2,400 ringgit to 5,300 ringgit cheaper than the Vios. So pricing is still tentative. It's only going to be launched very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. For now, let us know what you think of the Toyota Yaris. Are you a fan of the hatchback, or would you prefer the look of the sedan? Let us know below. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. My name is Matt, and I'll see you in the next one.